What's up guys? Welcome back to a WooCommerce tutorial. In the last video, we will show you how to install WordPress using PHPMyAdmin and how to add the WooCommerce plugin to your store. I'll put the link in the description below just in case you need it. Today, we're going to learn how to insert a theme, then customize with Elementor. Add new pages, create a menu, product categories, tags, and attributes. First of all, let's get our theme. It's called Astra. In my opinion, it's one of the best free themes of WordPress. It has a great design as well as a highly customization. You can literally customize every part of this theme, from the header to footer, layout, color, and so on. From the dashboard, navigate to Appearances on the sidebar, then click on Themes. Choose the Add New and look for Astra. Click Install, then activate it. After this, you need to install a new template. Click to the Astra theme, then choose Starter Templates. There's a bunch of cool templates here for you. Choose a free template that you like the most. Click in and choose Import Complete Site. Remember to delete the current data before importing it. Click Import. Wait a bit to finish the process and you can view your website now. As you can see here, your new website now has a beautiful and professional look. Now, I'm gonna help you to customize every aspect of your website without using a line of code. We're gonna use Elementor, one of the best free drag and drop page builder of WordPress. Let me show you how. To install Elementor, from the dashboard, navigate to Plugin, then choose the Add New. Here, type in Elementor on the search bar. This is what we're looking for. Click Install Now, then activate it. Now, let's visit our site to test it out. As you can see, you can easily customize your site with drag and drop, from text to section, picture, button, and so on. Let's moving on to create a new page for your website. To add a new page, from the dashboard, go to Page, then click on Add New. From here, you can set your page title, add content, and you can even edit your page with Elementor. Now, look at the right side. Choose a document. At the page attribute, choose Template, then choose Elementor Forward. This helps to set your page template as an Elementor template. Then click Publish. And now you've got a new page. A category is a group of your related items that makes it easier for the customer to find your products. To create a new category, from the dashboard, scroll down to Product, then click on Categories. There's a few options here for you. Name the category, put in a slug as a small URL. You can write your own, or WordPress will automatically set the name of the products as a slug. A pen drop-down lets you nest the category if you want. Description to describe your category, and it will appear on top of your category. The display type lets you choose ways to visually arrange your products. Finally, you can upload a thumbnail for your product category. Select Add New Category, and you are set with a new poster products category. When creating your products, don't forget to add tags and attributes. Just like tags on your normal post, product tags are pretty much the same. It offers another way to navigate your products outside the category. To create a new one, click Tag, just behind Categories at the Products section. Same as the category, you can name your tag, add a slug, and description. Click Add New Tag, and now you've got a new tag for yourself. Moving on to create a new attribute. An attribute is like extra data such as size or color that helps the customer to narrow down to the best option. To create a new one, click Attribute right behind the tag option. Take this as an example. Your store sells dress and create attribute for size, small, medium, and large. Naming your attribute size, then give it a slot. Click Enable Archives to allow the customer to browse your product attribute. This attribute will be applied to all of your products, meaning all products currently available for small, medium, or large will appear on the same page so the customer can easily navigate to. Continue setting up your attribute by click Custom Ordering a default sort order, then hit Add Attribute. In the top right, select Configure Terms. This will take us to where you can add terms of your size attribute. In our case, add small, medium, and large. Then click Add New Size to complete your attribute. And now you've got a new attribute. Our last step will be to set up the main menu of your website. From the dashboard, go to Appearances, then click Menu. We're going to make a whole new main menu for your site, so choose Create a New Menu. Give it a name, then click Create Menu. Your menu now has been created. You can add a category, a block, a page, or even an icon to your main menu. After selecting all of the necessary stuff for your menu, you can even make the order of your menu by drag and drop the item that you prefer here. At the menu setting, choose the main menu and just click Save Menu at both options. Now you can see the main menu has been complete as you want. That's it for today, guys. Now you know how to add a theme, then customize your site with Elementor, as well as add menu, product categories, tags, and attribute. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more WooCommerce tutorials from us. See you next time!